The Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 32GB memory kit is a standout performer with its remarkable speed of up to 6,800 megatransfers per second, ensuring smooth and efficient processing for demanding applications. This memory module features enhanced RGB lighting with a sleek heat spreader design, allowing for a visually stunning and customizable setup. Kingston's patented infrared sync technology keeps the vibrant RGB lighting perfectly synchronized across all modules for a cohesive look. With support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, this memory kit offers versatile compatibility for a wide range of systems. The Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 offers improved stability for overclocking, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking to push their systems to the limit. Measuring at 42mm in height, 133mm in length, and 7mm in width, this memory kit is compact yet powerful.